Once construction is complete, stormwater facilities require regular maintenance to ensure proper function. Questions often arise over who is responsible for maintenance once a project is closed out. Stormwater facility maintenance becomes the responsibility of the owner or the community association once construction is complete. Delegated agencies are available to provide technical assistance on how to properly maintain the different types of stormwater facilities. Property owners should become familiar with the operation and maintenance plan for their project's stormwater systems and seek professional help if extensive maintenance or repairs are needed. It is recommended that an owner hire a stormwater maintenance professional to provide routine and preventative maintenance to ensure that stormwater facilities continue to function as designed. In addition, stormwater facilities can be enhanced with native vegetation to provide additional water quality benefits and reduce maintenance costs. For more information, contact your local delegated agency.